Hello everyone. The world looks to China for advanced manufacturing, and in China, all eyes are on Shenzhen. Today, we're visiting ROKAE. Let's take a look at what this innovative company is all about. Hello. Hi. It's a pleasure to be here at ROKAE. Could you tell us a bit about the main applications of your robotic arms and their different load capacities?
Our company was founded in 2015, and we are now the first in China to have both collaborative and industrial production lines. On our left, you can see the CR12, a 12-kilogram payload collaborative robot. Our cobots come with two types of control cabinets. This one is an integrated base control cabinet, which makes it compact and space-saving. The other version is an external smart cabinet, with a waterproof rating of IP67, making it ideal for dusty or wet industrial CNC environments. Its response, speed and accuracy can reach plus or minus 0.03 millimeters. This is our palletizing workstation, specially developed for stacking applications. It has a 25-kilogram payload and can be equipped with safety radars or lifting columns for higher layer palletizing needs.